guys, this is Kelly and today I'm back with another new video. Today we are talking about Makeup Revolution. OMG, I finally got my hands onto this makeup brand. Oh my god, I am loving affordable makeup products lately, and these drugstore products are from UK and it's a little bit hard for me to get it because I couldn't find them on Amazon. Recently, Beauty Bay actually came up with a whole range of Makeup Revolution stuff, so I had to buy them, right? Yes, yeah, and oh my goodness, I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy this haul because these products are amazing and they are very affordable. I will link up all links down in my description box. Okay, so firstly, let's talk about this concealer. This have been raised all over the internet, and yes, I gotta say that this is good. This concealer actually reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm sure everyone is familiar with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and it's hella good. This one is good too, and it's so much cheaper. It's like maybe a quarter or like 1/10 of Tarte Shape Tape concealer's price, and oh my gosh, this is amazing. Totally. The amount of times I'm gonna say oh my gosh, countless. So anyways, this one it's the concealer, and it also has doll foot applicator. This one is in the shade 6.5. I wanted to get a 6.5 or 8.5 warm, but I couldn't get my hands onto it since the range is quite limited at Beauty Bay. So this one is C6.5. This is actually quite light for me, but I like it because it actually brightens my under eyes, and if you guys can see, this is actually flawless and it covers up most of my dark eye circles. But I have to say, this one actually does not last as long as the Tarte Shape Tape. I just can't do Tarte Shape Tape, and this one actually is a little bit smaller than the Tarte Shape Tape, but I actually don't mind this because you know, Tarte Shape Tape is actually about $45 and it's barely even $9, so but I heard that the foundation isn't that great, so I just stick with the concealer. Makeup Revolution is actually the upcoming drugstore brand, and I bought other products that are equally as amazing as this concealer, so let's hop right into it. I know that no one on the internet actually talked about this, but Makeup Revolution's Ultra Contour Palette is amazing. Honestly, this one, it's like the ABH contour palette, and it has all these shades that are very blendable. I'm using this too on my face right now, and it has two very shimmery highlighter that is, oh my gosh, mind-blowing. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna swatch all this for you guys. Oh, it also has this banana powder that I already packed under my dark eye circles, and it's not drying. Usually yellow powder that is included in this kind of contour palette is actually quite shitty, but this one, it's amazing. Honestly, it's actually quite smooth under my eyes right now, and I'm very pleased with the results. It's actually so soft. Oh my goodness, it's like the LA Girl HD powder or the Makeup Forever powder. It's very smooth and I'm loving it. I can't stop touching it. But anyways, right now I'm just gonna swatch this for you guys. This highlighter is gold. Oh my god. Goals! To be honest, if you're looking for a good contour palette and a bronzer, I think this palette is good to go. And honestly, this one is not even half the price of the ABH contour palette. This one is only, I think, less than 10. It is amazing. I love it. And right now, Beauty Bay is actually having a 30% off. I think it's the like Black Friday sale. Amazing, very good. 10 upon 10 for this product. The next one that I'm gonna tell you guys are gonna scream. Oh my god. Ding ding ding. This is the Makeup Revolution Amplified Palette Get Big, and this one has 15 highlighters and illuminators. They are all very shimmery, but they come in all these different colors. It's actually a little bit difficult for me to swatch on my hand, so I'm actually going to swatch it all over my neck like Tati. Okay, so starting from the first row here, down, down, down. I actually use lid for my eyes today, and they are very pigmented, and I did a little cute eyeliner here that I've never tried before, but it's so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna start off with this. Okay, so here is all the colors, as you guys can see, and they're so beautiful. They're like shimmery, and they have the blinding highlighter, they have bronzer, and then they have the blush. Oh my goodness. Usually for this kind of shade, I usually use them on top of my bronzer, like how I'm using today. It's like a bronzer topper. It actually gives it an extra oomph to your bronzer, and it actually is very shimmery. I love it. It's like a terracotta shade, so you can actually blend it with any kind of contour that you're wearing. Trying my best to let you guys see all these colors. They are actually really versatile, so you can use it on your eyes, blusher, even on your lips. So nice. I'm extremely in love with this palette. I urge you guys to go get this. This one, it's a little bit pricier. This is about $15. $15 well spent. This is really good. I love it. Yeah, the colors are so vibrant, and they have all sorts of colors. I love this gold as well. So pearl, it's one of my favorites. This one, it's an iridescent white highlighter, and I usually like to pop it in my inner corner, so it actually gives my eyes a pop of like shimmer, and yeah. I'm loving it, honestly. Hands down, the best combi of colors, best price, best quality. Oh my god, I'm not even exaggerating right now. If you guys actually get your hands onto this palette, you guys will know. This is crazy, I love it. Okay, so moving on to next product. It is this Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter in Champagne. This one looks exactly like the Cover FX Illuminator. This one is in this champagne color. And it's very oily and watery. I have not used this product, so I'm not sure how it actually works. But I feel that this is not as blinding as the one from Cover FX. Maybe I should just dig it out and let you guys see the comparison. Okay, so this is the mini size Cover FX Illuminator in Custom Enhanced Drops in I don't know which shade, but this one, it's blinding AF. If you can tell, this one, it's so damn blinding. And the Makeup Revolution one, it's a little bit on the shimmer side. It's not super blinding. It gives off a nice glow, which I like. Can you guys see the difference? But I like this because it's very affordable. The Cover FX one, it's about $60 or $70 for one bottle. Makeup Revolution one, it's less than 10 or it's like 11. So I think just by the price, I'm more attracted to this Makeup Revolution one, and I think for the consistency, I still prefer the Cover FX one because it actually dries down faster. And for the Makeup Revolution one, it's a little bit oily and it actually moves around my face, but other than that, I think it's totally fine. Okay, so we have come to an end of my video and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really highly recommend to get Makeup Revolution stuff on Beauty Bay. No regrets, honestly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and remember to click subscribe and like this video. Click here for more videos.